Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we are diving headfirst into the sizzling world of The Bear, the show that's got everyone talking about the chaotic life in a Chicago Italian beef sandwich joint. Mark your calendars, because buckle up, Season 3 of The Bear premiered just yesterday, on 26 June 2024. That's right, you can dive right in and binge all 10 episodes on Hulu. No waiting! The good news is, the entire main cast is returning for Season 3. We will get to see Jeremy Allen White back as the ever-stressed chef Carmine Borsato, along with Ayo Edebiri as the tech-savvy sous chef Sydney Admo, and the always intense Richie Jerimovich, played by Eben Moss-Bajraj. The rest of the phenomenal ensemble cast, including Lija Kolintzayas as the formidable Sugar and Abby Elliott as the sardonic cousin, Natalie, will also be returning to round out the dysfunctional yet strangely lovable family that is the original beef of Chicagoland. While the exact plot details are still under wraps, we can expect Season 3 to pick up where Season 2 left off. Carmy will likely be grappling with the aftermath of his big decision and the challenges of trying to turn the struggling original beef into a success story. We can also expect to see the return of familiar tensions between the kitchen staff as they navigate the pressure cooker environment and their struggles. The same fantastic creative team behind the first 2 seasons is back for Season 3. Christopher Stora is returning as the showrunner and writer, and Joanna Callow is back as the director. Filming for Season 3 wrapped up earlier this year, and the entire season was filmed on location in Chicago, keeping things nice and authentic. Now, we all know The Bear isn't just about the food. It's about the raw emotions, the high-stakes world of the kitchen, and the complex relationships between these characters. So, what can we expect from a character development standpoint? Here's where things get interesting. Season 2 saw Carmy finally starting to confront his inner demons, and we can expect him to continue down that path in Season 3. Will he be able to find a balance between his passion for food and the stresses of running a restaurant? Will Sydney and Richie continue to clash in the kitchen, or will they find a way to work together? These are just some of the questions that will keep us glued to our screens. Let's be honest, The Bear isn't for the faint of heart. It's a show that throws you right into the fire, with the pressure cooker constantly bubbling over. But that's exactly what makes it so captivating. You can practically feel the heat radiating from the stove, the tension crackling in the air, and the desperation for a perfect plate of food. Look, if you're looking for a light and fluffy show to unwind with, The Bear might not be your cup of tea. But if you're craving something real, something raw, and something that will leave you both exhilarated and exhausted, then this show is for you. It's a testament to the power of human connection, the resilience of the human spirit, and the sheer joy of creating something delicious. So, what are you waiting for? Dive